Let's write a select field that's going to contain all of the continents. So we'll have Africa, Antarctica, and so on. Let's save this and see what it looks like in a desktop browser. So I've got desktop Chrome open here, and here's our little select field. Let's write some styles to make this a bit bigger. Targeting our select field, we'll give it width 100% so that it takes up the available width, font size 30 pixels, padding 5 pixels, and border radius 5 pixels. Let's save and refresh in our desktop browser. And here's our select field. In desktop browsers like this one, when we interact with the select field, we get this drop-down menu appear. However, the select field looks different depending on what device and browser you're looking on. Let's head over to our iOS simulator. So here's the select field in our iPhone SE simulator running Safari. And already we can see differences in the styling. But the main difference can be seen when we interact with the select field. Instead of a drop-down, we get this section appear at the bottom of the page, and it contains all of the options. This is more suitable for a small screen because there's more screen space available to select an option. Now let's head over to our Android simulator. And here's our select field in the Nexus 5 simulator running Chrome. And this time when we interact with it, we get a modal appear. So there's even more screen space available to us to select an option. So there's nothing fancy going on here. We're just using the native browser capabilities, such as this select menu, and we're finding out that the native behavior is actually optimized for the device and the browser that we're using.